What is the Godzilla star? Godzilla is a variable star in the Sunburst galaxy at redshifts E equals 2.37 or 10.9 billion light-years from Earth, observed through the gravitational lens PSC1G 311.65 to 18.48. It was originally identified in the NW arc as a possible transient event in images taken with the Hubble Space Telescope HST. As of October 2022, it is the most luminous star that can be currently observed. This is possible because the star is believed to be undergoing an episode of temporary increased luminosity that has lasted at least 7 years, combined with an estimated magnification of at least a factor of 2,000. Some spectral features in Godzilla resemble those of other variable stars in the Milky Way galaxy such as Eta Carinae, suggesting that Godzilla could be close to the end of its life. Godzilla is believed to be going through an episode similar to the Great Eruption of Eta Carinae in the 19th century, during which the star was likely among the brightest in the universe at about 50 million L. The extreme magnification of Godzilla is partially due to a nearby substructure, probably a dwarf galaxy, not seen in the HST images but recently detected in new JWST images, that is also close to the critical curve of the cluster. This unobserved substructure is believed to be dominated by dark matter. Godzilla is named after the Kaiju and makes reference to its monstrous nature. Other stars named after Kaiju include Mothra, which shares many of the characteristics of Godzilla. A 2024 paper showed that Godzilla's source frame ultraviolet light and nebular emission lines as measured by Muse and X-Shooter at the Very Large Telescope VLT can be quantitatively explained as that of a star cluster 4-6 mere after formation and weighing millions of solar masses, magnified by a factor between about 500 and 2,000. The authors show that the ionized gas is the source of Godzilla's nebular emissions, enriched with nitrogen and possibly oxygen and helium too, and suggest that the gas is stellar wind and supernova ejecta condensed in the gravitational potential of the star cluster and is excited by ionizing stellar radiation. Based on the non-detection of flux time variability, which should be induced by intracluster microlensing effects but would be diluted if the source consists of many stars, the study suggests that Godzilla's magnification factor is lower than previously thought, in the range of hundreds. This casts doubt on the hypothesis that Godzilla's light is dominated by one or a few highly magnified stars.